Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect your earbuds. But if you select Unpair, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget this device button, not Disconnect. But let's disconnect it. And as I tell you, I stop Bluetooth connection, but leave them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!